In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a door seal on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located behind the door. Let's get started. We're going to pull back on our plastic trim piece here, and we have two clips behind here. I'm going to go ahead and pop that out. Just put this tool right here and popped it. We have one more on the bottom. Do the same thing. And we have one more inside of here. And then we can remove that trim piece. We're going to remove our step pad. We're going to grab it in the front and pull straight up. Pop all the clips for the step and remove it. We're going to grab our door seal and start to pull it off. Follow this all the way around the door. Continue removing the weather stripping all the way around. Fully remove the door seal. We're going to get our seal started in the bottom first. Get it installed and pushed up into place, and then start pushing it up. Continue installing the seal all the way up the door. We're going to slide the end of the seal down past our dash here. Grab it on the bottom and continue down. Finish installing the seal. Install the foot plate down into place. Get the clips lined up and push it down into place. Install the kick plate panel into place. Get all three of those clips lined up and installed, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.